Today we've come back to Brecon Beacons again, and the weather is absolutely horrible, but I give you this. Today we are off to Wales again, back to Brecon Beacons National Park. This time it's not going to be a mountain hike. We will be walking around a stream of water. It's called Waterfalls. It's a great trail with stunning scenery and 4 waterfalls. The drive was very smooth and constant until we hit the traffic. Because of the COVID restrictions, nobody could go out of the country for holidays. Reason why the traffic was really bad. The plan was to drive straight to the destination without any stops, but I couldn't as the traffic was delaying us and my nephew wanted to use the washroom. I was very much looking forward to it. It is not the best weather, there are some clouds in the sky and at least it's not raining. But as we were getting closer to the destination, the weather started to get worse and then we have just arrived at the location. Before leaving, I checked the weather was good, and unfortunately it's raining non-stop. So let's see what happens. You can see it's absolutely pouring down. It's just about waiting game now. We're gonna wait to see if it stops. If not, we're gonna have to go out as it is. We have just come out of the car and you can see it's still raining. This is our starting point of the walk. Luckily, we had a couple of umbrellas and a raincoat in the car. It's about 2 to 3 hours of walk if you wish to see all 4 of the waterfalls. The whole walk is well marked. As we were walking towards the first waterfall, after about 300 yards, I went off-road to get a view from above. I was absolutely stunned by the view, and here it is. This is the second waterfall. After about 15 minutes of walk from the nearest car park, we reached the first waterfall. You can walk right next to the waterfall, which I did just to get a sense of the height. Bear in mind it was still pouring down with rain. In order to get a better view of this waterfall, we need to go across the stream to the footpath on the other side. This is the bridge that goes across the river. We had to stop every now and then because of the rain, which costed us a lot of time. It's an absolutely disaster today. I was gonna fly my drone and use the camera gimbal to do the recording, but I'm using my phone now. Can't get the gimbal out because it's raining non-stop. You're not happy? You upset about the weather? While shooting the next clip, I was trying to get even closer. Went too close to the edge and slipped. I have to say I was very lucky that day. I just about managed to avoid a catastrophic disaster. The weather was a disaster today. It was raining on and off all day today. I had to put my gimbal away, so I couldn't do much recording. I was planning to do a long video about the whole walk, but I couldn't do it because of the weather. And the rain just stopped for half an hour or so, and I just about managed to fly the drone just to record one location. So maybe next time I'll be coming back here again to take the full walk. What do you think of the walk today? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, no.
This is the valley where the river runs through. Peace, tranquility, and nature at its very best. If that is what you want, you will just love the 4 waterfalls walk in Brecon Beacons National Park. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you did, then please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my next video, where I will go to London for a wonderful evening out with friends. Until then, take care.